Hi guys, welcome to the video. So excuse the hair, by the way, I've just had my hat on. So this is a new garden that I've taken over. I'm doing a one-off job on it today and I'm going to be doing it fortnightly. So it's another pricing video. I've got some new gear which hopefully I'll have a video out that I can direct you to. If not, I'll just tell you what I've got anyway, but do check out the other video. So I'm going to show you around the garden as usual. You guys get a price in your head and then let me know in the comments. So again, just to give a bit of context, this is about 10 minutes from me. I do a garden just round the corner in the same street, so when this came up I really wanted it because it's the only garden I do here and I want to build a bit of a presence in this area and get a few gardens. I think in hindsight, I've started out the front, I think I've undercharged for this initial cut. It is just a strim and a mow, sorry. They're not bothered about the block paving. I will keep the bigger bits down, so it's a strim and a mow. Really, once I get going when it's cut, it should take us half an hour, 35-40 minutes, something like that. So I'm going to take out the front now. I'm 3/4 of the way done through there. I'll show you that, then I'll come back out the back and I'll show you the back. So it's just this bit here, going down here like that. So that took us, I don't know, about 5 minutes. That's nice and easy. The new van there over the moon. They do want this border, so this had weeds and stuff in, so I've just kind of cleared the border and tried to put a bit of an edge on it. Not too bad. So it's to keep the border weed free and obviously the grass cut. So that's nice and simple out the front. It's taking a bit longer obviously today, but I'm charging a bit more, so when it comes to the fortnightly cuts, that hopefully should take us like 10 minutes or something. So that's what I'm hoping for anyway. So I'll turn you around now. The back's quite big and it's quite long. I don't think I'll need to trim it. Well, I won't need to trim it, I'll just need to trim the edges and then go over with a high setting on the lawnmower just to take the tops, you know, the top off, and just get it down a little bit. So I'll turn you around. And so this corner and swings round up there. So obviously trim the edges, trim around the trees and stuff, try to get a bit of an edge along the paths. Block paving they're not bothered about. I will go over it with the strimmer, and it's that bit there, which looks quite big, but after today, you know, when I'm running the mower over it, I'm expecting the back here maybe to take about 20-25 minutes. So I've got some new gear. This is the Cobra 500E with the Briggs & Stratton engine. 360 quid, so still a budget one. I didn't really want to pay upwards, you know, 500-700 quid yet. In a couple of years time I'll probably do that. This is a steel combi, which I've used it a couple of times and I must say I really like it. It's the KM94RC, so I've got the strimmer attachment, the hedge cutter and the pruner attachment, and I'll have some videos coming of that. So I'm gonna film a little bit here and I'll tell you how much at the end of the video, how much I've charged. And this is just a little pointer as well, so a little mistake I've made. So the customer's dealing with the waste. Today I'm going forward. There's a couple of trees out the front there that I've just kind of cut a few branches off and stuff. It's like filled a quarter of the bin. Well, more than a quarter, near enough half. It's got the front grass in the bin and there's no way it's going to get all this grass in here, so I've got a sack with us, always carry a spare sack, so I'm going to have to take the waste home, some waste home, and I'm not going to pass that on to the customer. You know, I give them a price. I said use their bin. Stupidly I underestimated the amount of waste that's going to come off here with the trees. So I don't mind doing that, that's my fault, but it's just obviously a point to try and, you know, try and judge the waste. It's hard. I'll turn you around and show you the bin. So yeah, so we're nearly full, but yeah, bit of a mistake on this one, and we'll all make them. I'll make more mistakes, but that's the way it goes sometimes. But always carry a spare sack. And what I will do going forward, just for my own benefit really, is these fruit trees, is just prune them a little bit, just the lower branches, just so I can get the lawnmower past. But I'm conscious of the waste today, so I'll do that over the next couple of visits. Right, so I'm all done for the day. That's taken about 3 hours. I'll turn you around. There's a few bits that I'm going to do ongoing, but I've ended up with a half a bag of grass there in the dumpy bag, and it's getting heavy. So the next time I'm here, I'm going to square the path up there, so you see where the grass is growing on. I mean, if you can see here, I'm going to get it right back to the path, square all that off nicely, so all this is to come off here, going up there. Yeah, but as I say, I've got too much grass in there and it's getting heavy, so it's better. I've took about a third off. I'd like to get it lower, but not today, obviously with this being the first cut. I'm happy enough with it. And edge off, like obviously square off down there as well with the edger, the half moon. Right, okay, so what did I charge? So for today, I made a mistake. I've charged 70 quid. I could have easily put another 30 quid on top of that. Obviously with the waste, my mistake again. But as I say, I had the house round the corner. I was conscious of really wanting this garden. As I say, after this initial thing, it's just going to be a strim and a cut, and it'll be a decent little job. So I'm going fortnightly. I've charged 40 quid. I'm hoping to get it down to about 40 minutes, so £1 a minute hopefully. So yeah, so 70 for today. Should have charged more. £40 ongoing. I'm happy with that. If it's going to take us about 40-45 minutes, as I say. Let us know what you guys think. I've got other pricing videos, obviously feel free to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers, bye.